Hi guys, it's me Ashley, and today I show you how I adjust and repair my pants. First of all, it is too wide. I have a very small waist. And the second thing is this guy over here. I don't know how this happened, but yeah, this needs to be fixed. Okay, let's go ahead and make our adjustments. I love having the piece on while marking my adjustments, so I go ahead and I take a fabric pencil to make my markings. As you can see, I mark where the fabric has to stop, and now I mark how tight it has to be. Please make sure that you leave some sewing allowance, and that's the way it looks like. Now I just make the markings more clear. As you can see, it's like a V or triangle, so that it gets tighter. Now I go ahead and I just cut it out. Okay, this is the way it looks like when you close it. So you can imagine how it looks like when you sew it down. We do the same thing on the other side as well, taking the piece that we cut out as a template. Simple as that, so you can make sure that both sides are equal. Okay, what I do next is turning it inside out so that the right sides are facing. I want to make a straight stitch, so I pin it down to do my sewing. Okay, let's move over to the hole that was on the leg side. I will close that with a zigzag stitch so that it's flexible. Therefore, I need to change my settings on my sewing machine to a zigzag stitch, and I will adjust the length so that it's a little bit tighter. Et voila! These are my pants! They look awesome, to be honest. And look at this, you don't see anything. Okay, I have to say I'm very proud of myself. That's not the first time doing this, but I thought I'd just show you how I repair and adjust my pants. Do you like it? If you do, then leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss any videos. Okay, see ya!